Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I just wanted to share with you this project that I have on the side. This is an attempt to make these Mexican cowboy boots into a more like an athletic shoe. And the way that I hope to accomplish that is by taking them to the cobbler, which is he's a fellow YouTuber. I'll put his YouTube channel description on the details. Um, and I'm gonna request that he replaces this leather sole for a wedge sole. And what I hope that gives me is like it's definitely gonna give me a rubber outsole, and it's gonna feel a little bit more athletic. It's actually gonna make them quieter too, because as soon as I put these boots on, I don't know if this is a leather stack, but it's really dense and it's really loud. And when you walk on a hard floor, it's really loud. So my attempt is actually to change the outsole, make the shoe a little bit more casual, more athletic, and this video is to show you what happens. The brand of the shoe is a Mexican brand called Duque de Galeano. It's from 2006. It's almost 15. It's actually 15 years old, because we're in the fall of 2021. And so I like these shoes. They do need to be ReSole, but I want to use them more for everyday purposes without the burden of this loud heel. So the second part of this video is to see how they turn out. I'm gonna show them to you after they have been resoled, and what I'm gonna request is a rubber wedge sole. Well, I'll see you in a little bit. I was gonna say why I came here.
Okay.
So, hey everybody, welcome back. So, these boots are very special to me. They have history. They're about 20 years old, maybe 15, and they needed a resole. So I came to see Aaron at Revive Shoe Repair, and he helped me with doing the resole. And he's actually here, and he's gonna give us a little explanation as to what happened. So go ahead, Aaron.
Okay, well, what we did here, basically, we recraft the whole foundation on this. We replaced the wall. It has a flat black stone wall, and it's made out of leather. We put a leather midsole and a Vibram Christy in black color. So basically, we recraft them from the whole foundation. And unfortunately, I don't have the before picture. I'm sorry about that.
I have that.
But
I'll add it too.
that's a good thing. But basically, that's about it. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm actually very happy with his work, and I recommend that you look up his channel. And I'm very pleased that they're actually better than what I expected, and I recommend his work. It's excellent. I'm gonna make more use of these shoes, thanks to Aaron. Thank you, Aaron.
You're welcome.
Give you more context on what Aaron described on the restructuring of these boots. So it all came from having a pair of shoes that the uppers were still in excellent condition. These are, like I said earlier, 15 years old. The transformation was kind of started because I saw on YouTube this other YouTuber who actually has a luxury shoe that I couldn't find, and it looked very comfortable and it looked very stylish. It's actually, I'm gonna show you a picture of it. He actually has a video with more details on this shoe. So that boot inspired the transformation of these shoes. Those are Louis Vuittons. I think the video is about a year old. I noticed it about 10 months ago, and you can't find a leather boot with that type of outsole that looks very comfortable. So that together with an old pair of shoes, boots that I was not using, and finding a cobbler that actually listened to kind of what I wanted to achieve made this transformation possible. To back to what Aaron was talking about, how he kind of explained why it was going to be a little bit difficult, because this used to be a boot. It's still a boot, but the heel kind of gave it a pitch, or he called it drop, where like he thought it would be a little bit difficult to make it into a flat, completely flat sole. But that's not really what I kind of, I didn't want a zero drop. I wanted just like a little bit reduced heel and somewhat of an athletic sole that it wouldn't make so much noise. And what he recommended were the Vibram Christy soles. And if you look them up online, basically it's actually described as a wedge sole that has the rubber, which provides sneaker-like comfort and excellent traction. So this is actually very telling of Aaron's ability to help the customer achieve the style and that they want. That's why I was really happy with him. Actually, I tried going to a local cobbler. Aaron lives, I mean, works like about 20 miles away from where I live, and it's quite a distance. And I have local cobblers, and actually approached them first, but a lot of them would just talk about how it's a cowboy boot. You can't make it into anything athletic, and it was very discouraging. A couple of them, it just sounded like they weren't willing to cooperate. And Aaron did. I found him through his YouTube videos. I just made a comment like, "Hey, do you think we can make this into like a athletic type of a comfort, more comfortable outsole?" And he started shooting me some options. And so I drove the shoes up to him, and here we are. So like I said earlier, I'm very happy with the result. He put high quality materials, high quality outsole to serve perfectly the purpose that I wanted, which is like a sneaker type of feel. And when he talked earlier, he made reference to how he had to restructure the foundation, but aesthetically it looks very nice. I already wore it once in the house. I plan to make a lot of use to these boots, and I'm very happy with the results. And I'm gonna put a link to both of the YouTubers channels on the descriptions, because they were very helpful in achieving this. And altogether, I think the whole purpose of me sharing this is to kind of maybe inspire those people that are looking for a particular type of shoe, and they might have something similar at home, to reach out to a cobbler or even Aaron, and present your ideas, and maybe they can help you achieve the shoes that you want. Other than that, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.